Hey, this here is Little Mike coming back at you live from Tickfaw River Swamp. It's about 7 a.m. At 6:52, I harvested this nice 2-year-old gobbler right here. 11 1/8 inch beard, 1 1/8 inch spurs. Really nice bird. I've been set up on him a couple different times now this year. At 5 a.m. I sat down, was sitting here waiting on him. Got Jezebel out here working. AVNX decoys. Put Jezebel out. 6:42. 3 hens flew down right on top of Jezebel. And then 3 more hens flew down about 85 or 90 yards to the north of me, along with this old boy right here. We got him. 6:52. Hammered him. Remington 1187. Heavy shot. Magnum blend. 5, 6s, and 7s. Also like to thank a couple of our sponsors. Size Matters and Mississippi Slim. We'll see you in a couple of weeks at the beach. Share some stories just like this. Spring 2015 turkey season. Little Mike saying it's been real, it's been nice, but most of all, it's been real nice. Remember, hunt safe, hunt ethical. Give all your praise to the Lord Jesus Christ, where it's due. See you now.